Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today I'm dropping a quick video to do two things. One, I want to pay somebody to actually learn how to make money in online marketing. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to explain here in the video, right? So that's number one thing I want to do. Pay somebody $1,000 to learn how to do online marketing by helping me market my online course. And then number two, I want to get you guys' opinion on what color we should wrap my Aventador. All right, so you're gonna have to drop a comment with your opinion on the color that we should wrap the Aventador and any design ideas that you have. Right now, I'm thinking about either going with, so let's jump right into it basically. So I'm going to wrap the Aventador, and I want to wrap it really soon because it's going to be in the Ohio International Auto Show in Columbus, Ohio, on March 22nd, I think. So I want to wrap the Aventador for the show, and I'm thinking about wrapping it a satin metallic blue, like a dark satin metallic blue, and keeping all the trim and the wheels like gloss black, or going with something a little bit more sinister, sort of the Batman look, and wrapping it a brushed black aluminum, like sort of like if you've seen Stradman's R8 when he had it brushed black, wrapped by Summit Labs. I really like that, how that brushed black looked on his R8. And then if I wrapped it brushed black and then kept the wheels and did little accents in gloss black, I think it would look really, really sinister. Especially when I get my exhaust and I start throwing flames out of that thing, it look like basically the Batmobile. So then in the garage, I would have the brushed chrome black, not chrome black, but brushed satin black Aventador in my satin red chrome Huracan in the garage. I think that would look pretty sick. And then the next mods for the Aventador would be maybe do some cool interior upgrades, like maybe reupholster the seats with some designs, some pops of color, that kind of thing. But those are the two colors that I'm thinking. So you guys let me know what you think about those two colors. But if you think there will be a better color for the Aventador, give me as much specifics as you think in the comments. Just drop a comment and say, hey, I think you should wrap the Aventador this wrap color, whatever sheen, like satin or matte or gloss or whatever, right? Just drop a comment. Let me know what you think we should do as far as wrapping the Aventador. And I'm going to consider everything. And then I'm going to get it wrapped. And then you guys can basically guess on which color I went with. But really and truly, I'm not for sure exactly what color I'm going to go with. But I told you what I'm leaning towards. I'm leaning towards that satin brush black or a satin metallic blue, a dark blue. I don't want to do a light blue on the Aventador. So, all right, so let's get down to the meaty part of this video. So a lot of you guys might have clicked on this video because you want to make $1,000 real quick. And I'm willing to pay somebody $1,000 to execute on an online marketing campaign to help me market my online course. So a lot of you guys probably know I have an online real estate course. It's called Real Estate 101, where you basically learn everything that I've learned in order to be able to invest in real estate. And that's why you see the different supercars on my channel, is because I've invested in real estate. And so the real estate helps me pay for those vehicles. So now the thing is, my real estate course, if I don't promote it like through YouTube and tell people, hey, I've got an online course, it's super thorough, then nobody knows about it. So what I want to do, and what I know I need to do, is I need to start to market the course online. And like I said, I've never really launched a marketing campaign, but it should include a marketing campaign on Instagram, a marketing campaign using paid ads on YouTube, and a marketing campaign on Facebook. Those are the three channels that I want to use. And if you don't know anything about online marketing, this is your chance to get paid to learn how to do online marketing. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you guys, if you're interested in doing this, you got to do the research on how to market on Facebook, how to market on Instagram, and how to market on YouTube using paid advertisements. And then you have to come up with a proposal and email me your ideas on how you would execute a marketing campaign to get the word out there on my online course, and basically lay out how you would do it. And basically the winning proposal, I'm going to basically give you $1,000 and pay you for having done that research and coming up with the ideas on how to market on those 3 platforms and what we should do. And then also you can use that $1,000 as your first experience to be paid to implement that marketing plan that you come up with and that you email me. So, like I said, write this down if you're interested in winning this $1,000 in this contest to help me market my online course, because you're going to have to come up with what you recommend that we do to market on Facebook, to market on Instagram, and to market on YouTube. So all you have to do is go online and basically do research on how to do online ads on those 3 platforms, and they will be paid advertisements on those platforms. And I would pay for the ads and everything. All you got to do is come up with the concept for the campaign and implement and run the campaign. But you got to come up with a proposal. So if you've never done a proposal, you might want to research how to do a proposal, because basically what you want to do is you want to come up, you can either put it in an email or you can put it in a Microsoft Word document or a PDF, and you can break down how exactly you would implement an online marketing campaign to advertise my online course. Now, if you want to research my course and see what it's all about and make suggestions as a part of your proposal, that's cool. Just go to learn.willmotivation.com. I'll put a link in the description of this video. The easiest link is to go to willmotivation.com/invest. But yeah, so that's your chance to win $1,000. Like I said, I would love to give $1,000 to somebody who can come up with a proposal and then email it to me. And my email address is get@willmotivation.com. So make sure to write that down. I'll also put that in the description of this video. I think it's automatically in all of my videos anyway, but I basically want to pay somebody $1,000 to come up with a proposal to do online marketing to help me market my online course. Because I'm super busy and I don't really have time to do it, even though I am an online marketer and I do a lot of online marketing. I get paid to do online marketing and that kind of thing, but I do it for this company right here, which is mymain.com. And it just keeps me too busy to really push my online course, but I need to do that, because that is going to help me reinvest money into my YouTube channel and doing more cool stuff with the cars and, meeting you guys out there, out and about. Also, if you're in the Florida area, I will be in Florida from the 24th to the 28th in South Florida. So I'm going to be in Tampa area. I'm going to be in the Naples, Fort Myers area. I'm going to be in the Miami area, Fort Lauderdale area, and also Palm Beach area. So I'm going to be investigating real estate. I'll be doing some videos. My daughter should be with me, and we're going to have a good time and get some good videos for you guys. And then I'm also going to handle a business for handle an event for HBCUconnect.com and Amazon. So yeah, let me know in the comments, like I said, what color you think we should wrap the Aventador. Told you what I'm leaning towards, brushed black or a satin blue metallic for the Aventador. But you guys let me know what you think. And then also, if you want to win $1,000, email me a proposal on how we would do online marketing for my online course, basically to get people to be aware of it, to sign up for it, and to take the course. All right, so I'm open to you guys' proposals, your ideas, and just do your best, man. Do some research on how to submit an online proposal or how to submit a proposal. This is your chance, an opportunity to learn a little bit and then get paid to execute on your ideas. Because like I said, I got $1,000 for the winning proposal. All right, so check the description of this video, drop me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm in a hotel in an undisclosed location, handling some business, and I'll be back I'm gonna be bouncing all over the place. Like I said, I'm about to be in Florida again. I'll be back in Columbus it'll probably be 2 weeks before I'm back home. But I got some more videos lined up, and I'm gonna keep dropping videos while I'm on the road, and I want you guys to definitely drop me some comments. So I know what you guys are thinking as far as the Aventador, and if anybody wants to make some money helping me market my online course, let's do it. This is your boy, Will Motivation. See you guys in the next video. Peace.